highly welcome to my channel once again today. Real quick guys, today I am going to share with you guys another powerful strategy that I just discovered, and it will be very cool for you guys to stay tuned to the end of the video. Make sure you do not skip any part of this video, as this strategy is very powerful guys, and I want you guys to really check it out and see how this strategy really works, because with what I'm seeing here, this strategy is going to be a bombshell guys. All right, it's going to be a bombshell. So look at it. You can see that I have live trade running here. All right, so I am just trying to know the best place to pick a sniper entry on with this strategy. All right, so that is what you can see that I have done here. You can see where I pick up this trade, and the trade is already running. All right, so this particular strategy that you are seeing here is very powerful if you really pay very close attention to what I want to share with you guys here. The good thing that you can do for yourself is this: do not be distracted when watching this particular video, because you really need to get all the necessary information that you need here for you to start trading profitably and successfully after watching this. All right, so that is what I can just tell you for now. And when you look at this strategy, the way this strategy works is very simple. All right, it's very simple. When you look at this place here, right, look at this place here. I want you to just observe something there. All right, and then when you look at this place as well, I want you to observe something there. So whatever position that you are going to open, you must be expecting to take your TP at this 50 level here. All right, so with that being said guys, let's dive fully into the video. Let me share with you guys how the strategy really works. As you can see, I'm telling you that this strategy is a bombshell guys. Look at what is going on here. All right, look at this place here. That is where I opened that position, and you can see the current price right now. So let me share with you guys how this strategy really works. And before we dive into that, if this is your first time of hearing my voice, or if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from globalfx, and what I do here is, whenever I find any strategy that is working very fine like this, I come here and share it with you guys so that you too will try it out and see how it goes. All right, so with that being said, if you are new to my channel, as I said earlier on, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, I want you to do me that favor and smash that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload real content like this, you'll be able to receive a notification that I have dropped another valuable content that will assist you in trading. Right, and if you love content like this as well, I want you to smash that like button as well, and then make sure you share this video with your friends and family that are also struggling to make money trading with trading volatility 75. All right, so with that being said guys, let's backtest this strategy. As you can see, this is the live trade, and I'm telling you, you can see what is going on. You can see this. Now I'll be expecting to take my TP at this place somewhere here. My TP1 should be at this zone here. Right, my TP1 should be at this zone. Why? Because when you look at this place, you look at this place, and you also look at these nodes here. All right, what you are seeing right now on the screen is actually showing you that this market is forming what is called W right now. All right, when you look at this zone here, this was the rejected zone, and this was the rejected zone. And when you look at this place here, this is another rejected zone. After this mighty this drop down here, all right, and then you see this here, that is the nose or the neck, you can call it whatever you like. And then you see the pullback again. And now, after the whole thing that might be going on at this junction here is about to pull back up to form the second leg of this. Now when you look at this main chart indicator window one here, you will see something like that. You see that this red line is indicating all these things that we analyzed just now on the main chart here. Now when you look at this place here, I want you to pay very close attention here. Look at this. As soon as you see that this red line and this blue line inside here has gotten to this level 5 here, then and the red line is already moving back up, and you see that this blue line is already on its way up. What you just need to do is you open your position, and before you open that position, I want you to look at the chart properly and see what the major chart is forming, if it is forming M or W. Or when you look at this, if it is forming a W here, you already know how W looks like or M looks like. All right, so that is what will really give you the full confidence on what to do if you are going to sell or buy. All right, so now when you look at, let's back test a little bit so that you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. Now when you look at this chart here, when you look at this zone here, all right, and you look at this place here, you see what happened there. As soon as this red line and the blue line cross this level 5 and start going back up, no matter what happens, you stay on the trade. Where you should be looking at for TP should be at this 50 level. All right, that is if you are buying. And if you are selling, or the same thing applies from this zone here. All right, one thing I will advise every one of you is this: do not be greedy. If you are selling, look at this here. All right, look at it here. It gives you a clear picture of what the market is doing. All right, now when you look at this here, you will see exactly what I was describing to you guys here. You see this here. Now when you look at here, you see pullback and see this. You see this. Now when you look at this main chart, this place here, indicator window 1, you see the same thing. All right, so that is why I said whenever you open any position, make sure if you are selling or you are buying, your TP should be at this particular 50 zone level. All right, it does not really matter how much you have made so far. Profit is profit. So if you make $1, take it. $1, it is profit. If you make $50, it is profit. Take it. Profit is profit. It's an added advantage to your equity. All right, so that is it, guys. And as I said earlier on, just when you look at this chart, you will see different design, different movement of this market. All right, see different structures. Look at this here. Look at this here. Then once you open your position and TP at this 50, look at this movement. You open position somewhere here and you be on this market to this place. What are you still waiting for? You pull out. But if you are a professional, you really know how this market moves, and already you have done your analysis properly and know where or the direction of the market. You don't need to be panicking. What you just need to do is you calm down and be trailing your profits. All right, you'll be trailing your profit until you get to where you feel like exiting. But if you are a newbie and you are following my instruction, please follow this instruction as I illustrated right now, and apply it. All right, apply whatever you just learn from what I explained, and make sure you do not try to do it in your own way. Implement whatever you learn right now, and don't just be scared of anything. And also, before you move to your real account, I want you to practice it very well on your demo account and see how to catch up with all these movements that I just explained to you. And also you can see that, take for instance here, all right, this market was consolidating and you can see what happened here. All right, so it gives you a clear picture of where and how, if the market is on a trendy mode or not. All right, so that is how it works, guys. And let me share with you guys this the settings before I forgot. What you just need to do, click on this F icon here. As you click on the F icon, on the first indicator that you are going to add is our ADX. Once you click on the ADX, just take screenshot of what you are seeing right now, and then make sure you set yours this way. All right, do not make any mistake, guys. And when you look at this place, this is where you're going to add level. Once you click on this pencil icon here, it will open up to this face here, and this is where you're going to input the digits. Make sure you input everything properly, and once you are done doing that, you click done. You go back to the F icon again, you add this our money flow index. All right, make sure everything is being set properly. Then take screenshot of what you are seeing here and make sure you set your screen this way. When you are through setting it up, you click done. You go back to the F icon again, you add moving average. Now take screenshot of this moving average settings. All right, make sure you set yours this way. All these indicators, all these indicators that I mentioned are going to be imputed in our indicator window 1. All right, so after setting it up, you click done. So this is how your chart is going to look like, guys. All right, this is how your chart is going to look like. So after setting this up, just click done, and that is it. You are good to go. And make sure you practice it as much as you can on your demo account and see how it works before you'll be able to go live. So that is it, guys. And also, if you want me to mentor you on how to be trading this volatility 75 index successfully and profitably and other synthetic indices, all you just need to do is go to the description of this video. I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. All you just need to do is add me up and let me know that you want to be mentored on how to trade synthetic indices successfully and profitably, and I will definitely get back to you. So that is it, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.